Yeah, hello. In this video, I will show you how to perform the nonparametric ANOVA, aka the Kruskal Wallis Test in R. First, let's read in the ARIS dataset. You can see there are 4 continuous variables and 1 factor. So we can fit an ANOVA table for fit an ANOVA model for sample dot length among species. And if we do an outlier test, you can see the unadjusted p-value is rather small, but the Bufferoni adjusted p-value is 0.11. So there may be some outlier data points, but overall, it's not a severe concern. But if you do want to double check on the outliers, like how they impact the ANOVA test result, you can use the nonparametric test ANOVA, also known as the Kruskal Wallis test. Because it's a nonparametric test based on the ranks of the data points, it is robust against the outliers. And also, it doesn't have any assumption on the distribution of the data. So whenever you have concern about data distributions or outliers, you can think about using the nonparametric ANOVA test. In R, there's a Kruskal.test function you can use to implement the nonparametric ANOVA test. So here you can see the command. I put it into the np.anova object, but unfortunately it's not a regression model object. So if you use summary command, it will not work. So I just use print. Okay, so you can see here the p-value is very small, and it confirms that the groups are very different. So that's kind of reassuring about group differences. But keep in mind that the nonparametric ANOVA test is for testing whether the medians are equal. The one-way ANOVA is testing whether the means are equal. Okay, so we can calculate the means in the groups and the median in the groups, and you can see for the first two, the mean and median are very close, and there's some difference on the third column and then the fourth column, but not by much. So my guess is in the third or fourth group, there are a few data points that are somewhat outlying and drag the mean away from the median. But overall, we arrived at the conclusion that the 4 groups are different, both in means and in medians. All right, this shows you how to perform the nonparametric ANOVA test in R.